big old and serene and serene. All right, what do we got? 2013 Carrier. Let's see what we got in this motherfucker right here, baby. Let's see what we got. I like when all the screws are loose. That's nice. Sit at beast mode, motherfucker. Just put a walk-in freezer in. 3 hours. Okay, what's this? I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here, bud. You gotta get stuck on me there, bit. Let's see what we got going on in this motherfucker. Let's get the old meter. Let's see if we got a call for Y. That's the first step. I turned the thermostat on already. Let's see. Y to common. We have a call. Ugh, probably a bad contact. Look at that fucking. Oh, look at that. There's no wire on there. That's fucking hilarious. Well, let's check the capacitor while we're here. What do we got? An 80/5. Alright. Let's see what we got. Microfarads. And might as well check it while we're here. Hold on. Might as well. Just make sure. 60, 70, yeah, we're good. Alright, let's get a new contactor in there. And then we'll put the wire back on. Fucking cornballs. And I'll get my blower and we'll clean out this fucking coil too. Fucking thing. Get out of here, bro. Alright. Swap out a little contactor so the disconnect works. Daydream believer and let's see. A 1, a 2. That's an easy one. Boop. I always like to make the wire a little bit better. At least try. Daydream believer. Make the wire a little bit better, you know? You want to do your best. Black on one side, yellow on one side. Alright, easy peasy. Fucking water. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. And we gotta check the filters too. And the belt. So let me get this guy swapped out of here. I'll check that shit. Alright, so I put a new contactor in there and now the blower doesn't come on. Which is strange. So I'm pretty much coming down to this board's bad plug, sending 24 volts back. Yeah. Fucking bullshit, because the blower was just on and the blower comes off this board. So I know nothing changed there. The only thing that was literally off was this. Simple wiring. Yellow, yellow, black, black. And yeah, now the blower doesn't come on. You can hear the click though. See? Hear a click, nothing happens. It's crazy. Alright, well, should be turning on. Check power at the plug over here. We got power on G. No blower. I smacked the shit out of this board. Nothing happened. Which is... usually you can get away with at least a little something. It's just crazy how it just worked. Pissing me off. So that's okay. I gotta say, that shit's super annoying. You shut a unit off, fucking literally put a wire back on, and the fucking blower motor doesn't come back on? Fuck you talking about? Shit's stupid. So anyways, I'm gonna try to get them on a new unit. Fucking 2012 unit. Or I'm just gonna do both control boards and obviously did the contactor. So we're realistic, but it's good because, like, think about it. If you would have just put that wire on, it would have worked. You would have walked away and it would have fucked up the next try. So that's why I always try to cycle thing like 3 times. But yeah, anyways, it's fucking Saturday and I can't get any parts until Monday. So with that being said, have a great fucking weekend. And yeah, that sucks. I hate that shit, but at the same time, I guess more money's more money, right? So there's that. But it just sucks I can't call right now. I mean, I could, but I know how Carrier is out where I live, and they're fucking douchebags. So they never answer the fucking on-call phone. Even if they did, they'll be like, it's like talking to a fucking retard. So yeah, anyways, have a great day. Bye. Well, 8 o'clock call, baby.